Okay, here's how close it was. Here's how close we were to the accident. So that's how close I come to getting taken out. And those poor older people in the fire in the freeway. Well, that gets your blood pumping. Excuse me. But the good thing is nobody was hurt. They had their tire come off clear back here somewhere, and that was an eye-opener. I was just back down the freeway, and I saw where a vehicle went through the median, and that was probably about an hour ago. And I was thinking, boy, you know, it's got to be unfortunate for someone just to be driving along like that, and all of a sudden here comes a vehicle blasting through the oleanders, and you wouldn't even know it, just take you out. I was sitting here thinking about how unfortunate that was, and I just happened to be, well, I'm always paying attention, but I usually pay a lot of attention because of what I do for a living, and I just happened to be looking at the vehicles, and I noticed something, and I said, what is that running across the road? And it was their tire, and it was coming straight at me, and no matter what I did to get over out of the way, I couldn't do anything, and I got really lucky when it hit the median and took a bounce, and it bounced right over the hood of my truck. And so I was probably doing 57, 58, like I told the CHP lady. She goes, how fast are you going? I said, 57, 58. I said, about as fast as I thought I could get away with. And she didn't even think that was funny. No sense of humor. Man, that smoke was bad. I was right in that trying to get it out of the fuel tank. That's what I was worried about. And so anyway, it was just a crappy thing. But the good thing is that couple didn't get hurt. That's all that matters. Everybody's going home, and I'm just thankful that they didn't get hurt. And I'm glad I didn't get hurt either. That would have really sucked. But the main thing is that they're okay. So anyway. I can't believe how much that smoke bothered you. I don't know how anybody can smoke cigarettes. Anyway, that's all I want to do is sit here and cough on camera, so I'll talk to you later.